How many eggs do you see? I see 6 eggs. How many apples do you see? I see 4 apples. What do you like? I like chocolate. What do you like? I like gum. What do you like? I like popcorn. What do you like? I like lollipops. What are they? They are pencil cases. What are they? They are trash cans. What are they? They are markers. What are they? They are boards. What are they? They are bookcases. What color is the bat? It is gray. What color is the spider? It is black. What do you see? I see a frog. Is it a gray mouse? Yes, it is. What do you see? I see a bird. What color is the cat? It is gray. Is the dog big? No, it is not. It is small. What do you see? I see a ladybug. What do you have? I have a lizard. What do you want? I want a monkey. Is it a bee? Yes, it is. It is a bee. Is it an elephant? No, it is not. It is a snake. Do you like pigs? Yes, I do. I like pigs. Do you like ducks? No, I don't. I don't like ducks. Is the robot on the table? Yes, the robot is on the table. Are the blocks under the table? No, the blocks are not under the table. Where are the toys? The toys are on the table. What are these? They are cars. What is it? It is a boat. What do you see? I see a train. Are those planes? Yes, they are. Are those trains? No, they are not. What do you see on the box? I see a cat on the box. What do you see under the box? I see a cat under the box. Where is the cat? It is in the box. What do you see? I see a ball. Is it a top? Yes, it is a top.